In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Apirine Slow RSI in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find the indicator, how to add it to your chart, and how to access its settings so you can customize it for your own trading style. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The steps are exactly the same. Once your chart is up, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It usually sits near the timeframes and other chart tools. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens the main indicator and strategy window, where you can search through built-in tools, community scripts, and your favorites. Inside this window, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search area to activate it. This is where you'll type the name of the indicator you want. In this case, start typing Apirine Slow RSI. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the list below to match what you're entering. Take a moment to make sure you select the correct one, matching the exact name as it appears in the list. Once you see Apirine Slow RSI in the results, click on it once. As soon as you do, TradingView will add the indicator to your chart. You should now see a new panel appear, usually below the main price chart, showing the Apirine Slow RSI line and any default levels that come with it. If you don't see it immediately, double check that it didn't get minimized or hidden in the indicator area. Next, let's open the settings so you can adjust it. Move your cursor over the indicator label on the chart, the small tab that shows its name. When you hover over that label, you'll see a gear icon appear. Click on that gear icon to open the settings window. Here, you can change things like the length, smoothing options, and visual style, such as colors and line thickness. Take your time to experiment with these options so the indicator matches your personal preferences and is easy to read. If you're not already using TradingView Pro and you want access to more features, make sure to use the sign up link provided in the description of this video. That way you can unlock additional tools, save more layouts, and get the most out of indicators like Apirine Slow RSI. And that's all there is to it. Open indicators, search for Apirine Slow RSI, add it to your chart, and customize it through the settings.